Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a review on these new nail strips called Igloo Spa. They were so kind and sent me a pack to try out. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review and showing you how I applied them. This is everything that comes in the set. It comes with an alcohol pad to remove any excess oil, any leftover nail polish, and then it also comes with a nail file so you can shave down the nail strip to your nail. I already sized the strip to my nail, and I'm just using these cute little tweezers to help apply and kind of give me a better grip on applying the strip to my actual nail. So I just press down firmly when I got the placement I want, and then I go ahead and I grab the nail file to remove any excess strip. So one thing I noticed about these nail strips, since they are a gel strip, that they were a little bit thicker, which I mean is great because it makes your nails a little bit sturdier and thicker. As you can see, as I'm filing it down, I kind of have to work at it a little bit harder just because it is a touch thicker than other brands I've used. This one was a little tricky. My nails are extremely long and these nail strips weren't long enough for my nail. So I kind of started at the top of my nail, at the tip, and you can see like it didn't go all the way down to the cuticle. It wasn't a huge con, but it is something to keep in mind if you have regular like long natural nails. I always recommend using a top coat whenever doing gel strip nails. It always just makes them last a lot longer and your results will just be beautiful. So there you go. I used Calm Sage from Igloo Spa. I hope you guys liked it and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.